What's up, family? Welcome to Ddin'S Xperience. Here we do simple food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on the bottom right of the screen and hit all. And if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment in the section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu. What's up, family? So for Ddin'S fried cabbage, you're going to need butter, onion powder, garlic powder, 2 onions, multicolored pepper, garlic, red pepper, and black pepper. If you are a person that have a hard time digesting greens, this is a beautiful alternative. For my fried cabbage, I like it to be very colorful, that way it looks very beautiful. Get creative, you guys. The kitchen is your laboratory and you are the scientist. Without further ado, let's get to creating, family. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is cut up our cabbage. This is the purple cabbage. I already cut up the green cabbage, as you guys seen in the intro. I'm going to take 2 small onions. We're going to dice those up. Our peppers. I love it to be colorful. Next, our garlic. I use 5 garlic cloves. Alright, I'm going to add my stick and a half of butter in here. And I'm going to get that to melt down like this. Okay, let's add in our garlic and our onions. Next, our peppers. Get those cooking a little bit. Alright. And go ahead and cook those around, you guys. We're just sauteing them real quick. We're going to add the other vegetables in a second. Now, our green cabbage. Add in your purple. You're not going to add in all your cabbage at one time. We're going to do it little at a time. Yes. And as it cooked down, you guys, just like I am doing right here, just flipping it under. As you can see, it's going to end up coming up. All right. Quick facts. What are 9 health benefits of cabbage? Number 1, cabbage is packed with nutrients. Number 2, it may help keep inflammation in check. 3, cabbage is packed with vitamin C. 4, it helps improve digestion. 5, may help keep your heart healthy. 6, may lower your blood pressure. 7, could help lower cholesterol levels. 8, cabbage is an excellent source of vitamin K. And 9, it is easy to add to your diet, for sure. Real cool. All right, look how beautiful that looks, and it's not even done. Okay. Let's add some more of our cabbage in. As this cooked down, you want to add some more in. All right, we're going to cover that up and let that steam a bit. When you pull the lid away from your face, you don't want the steam to hit you. All right, let's get to stirring some more. Yes. Looks like a fantasy, doesn't it? Alright. Add some more. And this should be the last of the cabbage, I believe. And cover that back up. And we're going to get back to mixing some more. And that's all it is. It's that easy, you guys. And one thing I love about fried cabbage is that it makes the plate look colorful. You guys can get creative. You can add bacon bits in it. Even add a little bit of your turkey. I I just figured you guys would like this segment just to see how colorful and beautiful that looks. Yes. One more time, let's look at that. All right, let's add in our seasonings now. We're gonna add in our red peppers, just to give it a little bit of spice. Next, our black pepper. Don't be afraid to season it. Season to taste, you guys. Our garlic powder. And last but not least, our onion powder. Now let's mix this in good. Okay. We're gonna cover that back up and let this cook down a bit. Give me a like if you like the video. I had to do it one more time, you guys. Let's go ahead and mix this up. You just can't get sick of just looking at that. And go ahead and take a look at your work. Look how beautiful that looks. You did that. You did that. All right, let's bowl this up. Look at that steam. Okay, let's go ahead and have a bite. Exquisite. So if you like this video, hit subscribe and hit the notification bell at your bottom right. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our first 100 subscribers, Ddins. We are so close into our next food adventure. Peace.